We're in Kedleston Hall. We've just sneaked into a room here near the lounge where we have part of the objects that we're studying today here with the kids from Curzon. Dr. Corinne Fowler, can you give us a brief overview of some of those objects?
Yes, so we're concentrating on Lord Curzon, who was the Viceroy of India. He's got a collection, but one of the things we want to bring out is that he was bitterly hated by the Indians for his divide and rule policy in the partition of Bengal, but at the same time he's often celebrated for things like restoring the Taj Mahal, so he's remembered differently by different groups of people. But one of the notable things about this house is this Eastern collection, which is a museum filled with the most beautiful ivory objects, handcrafted goods, and seats that they used to put on elephants ceremonially. But the three things we're concentrating on is one, an ivory elephant, which is absolutely beautifully carved, but we were looking at the label which talks about a native personage on elephants. So one of the things we're trying to say is that the labels themselves are a historical artefact, but also the waste and the destruction of empire, the fact that so many elephants were destroyed to make these luxury goods which were in great demand by the wealthy, not merely the British but all over the world. The second thing is the tiger. The tiger shooting was absolutely a feature of colonial life. And one of the things that we looked at with the children was a picture of Lord Curzon with his foot on a head of not on the head of a tiger, but on the body of a dead tiger which he'd just shot. And the fact that the tiger is a symbol of Indian strength, and the symbolism of him actually putting his foot on this beautiful defeated animal tells you a lot about the attitude at the time. And we also looked at some miniatures of Cawnpore and Lucknow, and the children learned about the siege of Lucknow, which happened a long time before Curzon. But the fact that was the first war of Indian independence, and it was the first serious opposition to the British, and the fact that in the museum here, as he would have known, that those places are extremely resonant, but at the same time the label doesn't mention the siege. It's what isn't said that is sometimes so important and so significant as much as what is said.
Dr. Corinne Fowler from the University of Leicester, Director of the Colonial Countryside Project. Thank you. It's been a marvel talking to you.
Gama gama maga ma ba maga zanisa, gama gama maga.